Can you think of a relationship that is as complex and beautiful, yet sometimes as challenging, as that between a husband and wife? Indeed, the intricate tapestry of matrimony weaves together a myriad of roles, emotions, and experiences. It's in this unique bond that we find a partner who stands by us, a friend who teases and cheers us up, and a confidant who knows our deepest secrets. Yet, the beauty of this relationship lies in its complexity. It's like a dance where the rhythm sometimes syncs perfectly, and at other times, steps falter. Each spouse in their role can sometimes feel like an adversary, a challenging puzzle to solve. But isn't it the very essence of this relationship? The constant ebb and flow, the give and take, the balance and imbalance all add to its charm. And what's the secret ingredient that holds together this multifaceted relationship? It's the bond of friendship, the glue that binds together the puzzle of matrimony. Consider the story of Radha and Krishna, a couple from a small town in India. This tale is one of friendship blossoming into love, of quarrels and laughter, of trials and triumphs. Their story is, in essence, a reflection of the intricate dynamics of marriage, where two individuals, despite their differences and occasional disagreements, complement each other beautifully. Radha and Krishna were childhood friends, often seen together, sharing secrets, laughter, and dreams. They were inseparable, like two peas in a pod, their bond growing stronger with each passing day. Their friendship was a pure one, untouched by the complications of the adult world. It was filled with innocent games, shared meals, and endless stories. As they grew older, their bond evolved. Their friendship slowly turned into love, a love that was profound and all-encompassing. They became each other's confidants, their companions in solitude, their solace in times of distress. Krishna's vibrant personality perfectly balanced Radha's calm demeanor. They were like the sun and the moon, each incomplete without the other. But their journey wasn't always smooth. They had their share of disagreements and arguments. They disagreed on trivial matters, argued over differences in opinions, and even had heated debates on serious issues. There were times when they were at loggerheads, their tempers flaring, their voices echoing in the stillness of the night. Yet in the midst of these heated moments, their love for each other never wavered. Their arguments never turned into resentment. Instead, they chose to communicate, to understand each other's perspectives, to agree to disagree. They realized that their differences were what made their relationship unique, that their disagreements were what made their bond stronger. There were moments of joy too, moments that were filled with laughter and shared happiness. They celebrated festivals together, danced in the rain, and enjoyed quiet moments under the starlit sky. These moments of joy served as a reminder of their love, a testament to their strong bond. Through all their ups and downs, Radha and Krishna stood by each other. They supported each other in times of crisis, comforted each other in times of sorrow, and celebrated each other's victories. Their relationship was a testament to the fact that love is not just about romance, but also about friendship, understanding, and mutual respect. Despite all their arguments and struggles, Radha and Krishna could never imagine a life without each other. Their story serves as a reminder that a relationship, just like life, is a roller coaster ride. It has its ups and downs, its moments of joy and sorrow, its victories and defeats. But in the end, it's all worth it, because it's a journey that you undertake with your best friend, your partner, your confidant. It's a journey that's filled with love, laughter, and a whole lot of memories. So, what kept Radha and Krishna together through all their trials and tribulations? This question brings us to the heart of their enduring bond, the power of friendship. Yes, their love was legendary, but it was their friendship that truly grounded their relationship. It was the bedrock upon which their love story was built. When we delve into the dynamics of a friendship, we find an environment of mutual understanding, empathy, and respect. This is exactly what was present in the relationship between Radha and Krishna. Their friendship was the safe harbor where they could be their authentic selves. It was the space where they could express their deepest fears, their loftiest dreams, and their most profound thoughts without the fear of judgment or rejection. And within this space, they found the freedom to argue and disagree. You see, in a true friendship, disagreements are not a cause for alarm. Instead, they are opportunities for growth, for understanding each other better. Radha and Krishna, through their friendship, knew that they could challenge each other's ideas without threatening their bond. Their friendship also allowed them to grow together. When one stumbled, the other was there to lend a hand. When one triumphed, the other was there to share in the joy. They celebrated each other's victories and comforted each other in times of defeat. This is the power of friendship. It allows us to share our lives with someone else, to grow and evolve together. But perhaps the most beautiful aspect of their friendship was its enduring nature. Despite the years and the trials they faced, their bond remained strong. Their friendship was not just a phase or a chapter in their lives. It was a constant, a thread that wove through their entire story, binding them together. Their story is a testament to the adage, a spouse should be your best friend. What can we learn from Radha and Krishna's story, you might ask? Well, their tale of love and friendship serves as a timeless manual for harmonious relationships, showing us how to navigate the complexities of marriage with grace and understanding. Firstly, their story underscores the paramount importance of open communication. Just as Radha and Krishna shared their thoughts and feelings freely, couples too should strive to maintain a dialogue that is honest, open, and compassionate. This openness not only strengthens the bond of friendship, but also fosters trust and understanding, the two pillars of a strong marital relationship. Secondly, understanding is another cornerstone that Radha and Krishna's story beautifully illustrates. They not only listened to each other's words, but also understood the emotions and feelings behind them. This deep understanding allowed them to navigate through their disagreements and misunderstandings with empathy and compassion. As the adage goes, to understand and to be understood is to love. Thirdly, respect is a vital element that was woven into the very fabric of Radha and Krishna's relationship. They respected each other as individuals, acknowledging their unique qualities and appreciating their differences. This mutual respect formed the basis of their unwavering love and the foundation of their enduring friendship. Above all, Radha and Krishna's story teaches us the transformative power of friendship in a marital relationship. They were not just lovers, but best friends who laughed, played, and danced together, sharing every joy and sorrow. This friendship was their bedrock, helping them to overcome challenges and nurture their love. It showed us that a marriage is not just about romantic love, but also about camaraderie, companionship, and shared experiences. So, as we reflect on Radha and Krishna's story, let's remember that a successful marriage is a beautiful blend of love, respect, understanding, and communication. But at its core, it's the friendship, the shared laughter, the mutual support, and the treasured moments of togetherness that make it truly special. In the end, it's the friendship that makes a marriage thrive. So, is it really that simple? Can friendship truly make a marriage work? Well, like most things in life, it's not quite as straightforward as that. Friendship, while an essential piece of the marital puzzle, isn't a magic bullet that suddenly makes everything fall into place. It's a foundation, a building block, something that can help weather the storms that inevitably arise in any long-term relationship. Think of it this way: a house built on a strong foundation can withstand a lot, but it also needs solid walls, a sturdy roof, and regular maintenance. Likewise, a marriage grounded in friendship is better equipped to handle the trials and tribulations of life. But it also requires continuous effort, understanding, compromise, and adaptation to keep it strong and healthy. We all know that every relationship, especially a marriage, is a journey. There are going to be ups and downs, twists and turns, moments of joy and moments of sorrow. There are going to be times when you disagree, when you argue, when you might even question why you're together in the first place. But that's where the power of friendship comes in. Friends lean on each other in times of trouble. They support each other, listen to each other, and help each other grow. They don't always agree, but they respect each other's opinions and work towards a common understanding. In a marriage, these qualities of friendship can help couples navigate through the rough patches and come out stronger on the other side. Remember, it's not about finding the perfect person, but about learning to love an imperfect person perfectly. It's about understanding that marriage is a work in progress. A beautiful journey that you embark on together, hand in hand, heart to heart. And yes, there will be challenges. Yes, there will be disagreements. But isn't it comforting to know that your best friend is right there with you, ready to face whatever comes your way? While the journey of marriage may be challenging, having your best friend by your side makes it all the more worthwhile.